Coming at you today with another bike check. I have here a United Dinero, fully custom. We'll start here at the top. Got the Colt AK grips, Odyssey par ends, S&M holder bars in black, 8.65 rise, I believe. Really good handlebars. Moving on down, we got a Odyssey Elementary V3 stem. See if it'll focus. A really nice stem. It's a little weird with the one bolt. Good stem though. Moving on down, we got Demolition Elite forks in black. You have to excuse the bike's a little dirty. But yeah, really good forks, light, strong. For tires, I got the 2.40s, the Shadow Valor tires. Really good tires. They grip anything and everything. Moving on down, got the G Sport front hub. I think that's the Marmoset, I believe is what they call it. Got a Alienation Stay Strong rim. It's a Runaway. Moving on over, we got the United Dinero frame. Took the stickers off this side. They're still on this side over here though. It's in dark gray color. Can't remember. I think the signature rider was Charles Ashley, I believe. Oh, my headset is Shadow Corvus headset. This is a really good frame, 75, 12.8 in the back. I think it's 8.5 rise. Really good frame. It's got the investment cast dropouts. Alright. Moving on down to the cranks, we got Stolen Team cranks. These are the 19mm ones. They're really good, lifetime warranty. We got a Salt Plus, I don't know if you can see that. Salt Plus 25 tooth chromoly spline drive sprocket. Got the Shadow Corvus bottom bracket to match the headset. We have Monster pedals. Do not buy these pedals. They are terrible. They're light, but they are terrible. Do not buy them. Alright, moving on up. We got the United Beacon seat. You can't see the Beacon logo anymore, but anyway, gray, matched the bike. Looks really good. We got a premium seat post and the investment cast seat post clamp. Moving on back, got the matching back hub, the G Sport ratchet. Yep, G Sport ratchet. 9 tooth, got it set up for left hand drive right now. Same rim as on the front, the Stay Strong Alienation. Same tire, Shadow Valor 2.4. These tires are pretty fat. Some of the biggest out there. But KMC 510 chain. Had that chain a long time, no trouble out of it. But yeah, the bike's a little dirty, but my son, he's 16. He just don't want to ride it anymore. I've been thinking about selling it. Not real sure. Don't want to do nothing, play Xbox all the time. But it's a really nice bike. If you got any subscribe, comments, or if you're interested in maybe buying the bike, we live in Georgia. But it's a really nice bike. It's got some pegs too. I took the pegs. I got hub guards for the front and back, but I took them off. But anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time, YouTube.